Well, gentlemen out there, listen up. If you're suffering from ED, there is a revolutionary new approach in treating ED you want to know about. Boost Medical is offering a non invasive, non surgical option, and the device they use is FDA approved.
Put away those syringes, throw away those pills, and talk to this man right here. Andrew Reinhardt. He's here with Boost Medical Clinic. How are you, sir?
Hey, I am doing well. How are you guys?
Doing all right. It's great to have you.
Good,
Happy New
thank
Year to
you.
you. Obviously, the beginning of the year seems to be like a really popular time for, okay, you know what? There are things about me that I want to change. I want to fix. My New Year's resolution is to fix this. But yet so many men end up putting ED on the back burner. They don't want to just address it and fix it. Why is that?
Yeah, boy, you bring up a great point. When it comes to erectile dysfunction, it's kind of attached to a man's sense of self-worth or our ego. So we do nothing at all. We don't like asking for directions or going to the doctor's office. Unfortunately, though, erectile dysfunction gets worse. Now, you heard about our treatment, the acoustic wave therapy, not invasive, not surgical. It opens up and regrows blood vessels. We can't forget erectile dysfunction, it's a blood flow problem. That is
Mm.
what we are treating. Finally, after 30 years of men taking the pill and suffering from the side effects, we can finally get the spontaneity back. So, if you are struggling with ED or if your man is struggling with ED, there is hope and we can get the spontaneity back into the bedroom.
Can we talk about some of the causes of ED in the first place? Just help us understand a little bit more why men, find themselves in this position.
That's a great question. I think there's so many lifestyle choices that can lead to erectile dysfunction. That could be poor health, diabetes, prostate issues, or it could just be the way that a man ages. The blood vessels in this part of the body are tiny to begin with. So
Yeah.
anything can disrupt that, and it kind of becomes a plumbing issue. The blood flow just can't get through. That is what our treatments correct.
So
Hmm.
what does the science say about this procedure? How does it work? Does it work? What are they saying?
We have about 42 clinical studies on the science page at boostmedicalclinic.com, and they test this. They test our technology. Cambridge University, they tested it. What's interesting is they tested men of different ages with every kind of health condition. At the end of the study that Cambridge did, they said all men experienced an increase in blood flow. So the science is sound. It does work. It agitates the blood vessels just enough that they regrow and open up. That is what we want. We want the blood flow to go where we want it, when we want it.
Yeah, certainly. Andrew, we've seen you, Sean and I, across the country talking about this treatment. It's become, quite popular right now. You also, though, work, you know, face to face, sorry, with actual patients. So you wanted to talk about some results you've seen firsthand.
Yeah, absolutely. We've treated thousands of guys, and it's really fun to get the feedback. Generally, men come in a little bit skeptical. They say, well, the pills haven't worked, and the needles maybe haven't worked.
Yeah.
But after they go through our treatments, it is a breath of fresh air. We've helped men in their 70s, 80s, 90s, also younger guys in their 30s, eliminate the pill and get the on demand function back. They are very happy, and we have a very high success rate.
No question. We actually
Mm,
have you
great.
guys sent over a testimonial. This is from Pam saying, my husband completed treatments after struggling with ED for many years. We're so relieved that he doesn't have to take the pill any longer. The treatments were fast, easy, and pain free. A lot of the times, when guys go to the doctor for anything, it's usually because their spouse forced him. So this is a prime example where the spouse can kind of say, you know what, just get it taken care of. Call them.
Hmm.
That's going to be, I'm assuming, a good portion of the amount of people that come in through your door.
Yeah, absolutely. We're always talking to the men about erectile dysfunction. Guys, get it fixed, but let's not forget about his significant other. Here we heard from Pam, ED affects two people. So
Mhm.
get it fixed for the relationship. Get back to those younger years. This is such an important part, that intimacy of a relationship.
Mhm.
Yeah, it really is. Thank you, Andrew. You have a special offer today for people who are ready to come learn more about it, find out what you're all about, and make a change.
We certainly do. If you are struggling with erectile dysfunction and sick of those pills, get your phone ready. We are giving away so much for free today. Call us now. We will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound. That's with our medical doctor, totally free. We'll also throw in a little gift. You'll really enjoy this, by the way. It produces instant results in the bedroom. Now, this is about a $500 value.
Wow.
It's totally free to those that call right now.
Awesome. Andrew, it's great having you.
Thank you.
All right, take advantage of that special offer right now. Go to boostmedicalclinic.com or give their office a call at 702-710-5000. Boost Medical Clinic, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.